Hi there, my name is Kiran Chettri, a journalist formerly of CNN and the Fox News channel. But tonight I'm speaking to you as a proud native of Nepal.
वैशाख 12 गते भएको विनाशकारी भूकम्पको विपत्तिमा लाखौं नेपाली परेका छन्। संसारभरका दर्जनौं सेलिब्रिटीले नेपालका भूकम्प पीडितलाई सहयोग गर्ने याचना मात्रै गरेका छैनन्, ठूलो सहयोग राशि समेत जुटाइरहेका छन्। अमेरिकन नेपाली चेलीका रूपमा परिचित प्रतिष्ठित सञ्चार संस्था CNN की संवाददाता तथा कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुता किरण छेत्रीले पनि भूकम्प पीडित नेपालीलाई सहयोग गर्न अनुरोध गरेकी छिन्।
My father was born and raised in Kathmandu, and he met my mother, an American Peace Corps volunteer, during her time teaching there. If you follow the news at all, you know that this is a country that has faced a devastating tragedy, an earthquake that has so far claimed the lives of more than 4,000 people, with countless others left homeless, left hungry, with no place to call home, and they need your help. Many estimate it will take hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars to try to rebuild in the wake of this tragedy. But every little bit counts. This is a peaceful country of people who fought against a monarchy and a caste system to build their own democracy while at the same time fighting an insurgency. But now it's your help that they need.
नेपाली बाबु र अमेरिकन आमाकी छोरी किरणले ट्विटर अकाउन्ट मार्फत विपत्तिमा परेका नेपालीलाई सहयोग गर्न आग्रह गर्दै भिडियो राखेकी छिन्।